Hi guys, how to hide followers and following on Instagram. There is only one way to hide his followers and following list. I will tell you how in this video. Watch this video till the end. Ever wished you could hide your followers and following list on Instagram? You're not alone, millions want more privacy, but don't know the trick. Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to hide followers and following on Instagram step by step. First of all, open Instagram and go to your profile. After that, click the top 3 lines and scroll down and click the account privacy. And you see the top option, private account. This option is turned on. Click this and click the switch to private. And that's it. Now your Instagram followers and following are private. Enjoy more control and better privacy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more Instagram tips. See you in the next one. Stay private, stay smart.